Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Let's talk about something else that's going on in Seattle. Talking about Uber Eats, DoorDash, and what they're looking at doing.
Yeah, they're actually rewriting the law, Chris, because this is not for rideshare, by the way. It's for delivery. You know, they passed the minimum wage laws in Seattle for delivery.
Yep.
And as soon as they passed the law, Uber and Lyft tacked on $5 to the to the consumer's bill. $5 immediately the next day. And then a week later, all the articles are coming out saying that, oh, demand is down 40% because people are not ordering. How about this, Uber and Lyft? How about you didn't have to tack that on? Uber, Lyft, Uber Eats, DoorDash, all of you. If you are in a business that you cannot pay a fair wage to your people, you should not be in business. That means that business is shit. That means that business unit economics is upside down. If the only way you guys can turn a profit is suck on the back of your couriers and drivers, it makes it so obvious that you raise the rates $5 the day after they passed the minimum wage law. Okay? That means you weren't paying minimum wage until then. Okay? And then you go complain saying that, oh, orders are down. It's because we raised the rates. Sir, madam, whoever it is running Uber Eats and DoorDash, how about this? Delivery is a horrible business. DoorDash did 652 million orders last quarter. They still managed to lose $130 million. There is no more blood left in the rock, people. You're charging all these fees to the customer. You're paying as little as you can. You're charging 30% to the restaurants. Nobody likes DoorDash. Nobody likes these third-party apps when it comes to restaurants. You created a business out of the blue. You're sucking all three customers of yours, the blood dry, the driver, the consumer, and the restaurant, and you still can't make money. And now you're sabotaging your own business by saying, oh, we can't pay minimum wage. We can't afford to pay minimum wage. That's why we have to put a surcharge of $5. And some consumer, oh yeah, he can put that there. He can say he can wait. So here's the deal. There is a Seattle resident this is the first of its kind, people, who just filed this lawsuit with the FTC that they're misleading with these junk fees. And I agree with this lawsuit. This is the first of its kind, by the way. If FTC gets involved, I hope to God they will. Okay? This will be a game changer. So my 2 cents in this is, don't sabotage your own business by raising consumer fees constantly. Junk fees, $5 here, delivery fee, service fee, fast delivery fee, this fee, that fee, and none of that gets passed on to the driver. Okay? And then the drivers get together, revolt, and say we need at least some minimum wage laws. And then they pass those laws, and then you tack on another $5 to make up for that. That means the business you're in is a horrible business to be in, period. So I hope this goes far. This is the first one that FTC is getting involved. So I'm going to just closely follow this. And, I hope this goes places. I really do. And you know who's the plaintiff in this? Supporting this consumer? Towards Justice, David Seligman, who we had on the show. Remember? They're suing Uber in California. and that's his group. And hopefully, we'll get him on in a couple months or so and get an update on this case as well.
Nice.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.